So guys, good morning. This is the Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, guys. This is the any kind of picture there in Bacolod City. RY25 vlog open now. God bless and good morning to all viewers of YouTube channels and Facebook Reels and any social media. God bless and good morning. Shout out to all nation. God bless you and good morning. This is the banana. There's any kind of houses there in subdivision, the one subdivision of Bacolod City. There's the old car. The accent. Starex. The new car. Toyota Innova. Brand new. Ito po nasira ng bagyo ng mga tanim, mga punong kahoy. Iyawan na pang gatong. Kapit ako. Sige, sige. Oh, starting ka dito. Mga tanay, shout out yan sa mga viewers ang YouTube. Good morning sa inyo, guys. Hina ang boses ha. Ka-vlog ko vlog. There's the flowers there in Negros Occidental. There's the vacant lot.